flexibility, adaptability, and creativity. And what is the weakness of the Filipino values? We have
Being passive, colonial mentality, lack of initiative, lack of discipline.
those values under the strength represent weakness of the Filipino values are being possessed we just we emphasize as strength those weaknesses of the Filipino so that we will know to be a good or be have a desirable values among races in the world. So aside from those strengths and weaknesses, can you give other Filipino values that you know? The most common. Another. So, what set is correct, this is what the weaknesses of our mentality, and this is for the strength of the society. And those values are being recognized. So we discuss one by one. Let's talk about the weaknesses first. Being passive, well, lack of initiative, being tolerated is not people that don't before the work is done, you should not wait for another to be dependent on others. So we must not forget those weaknesses attitude or values. Colonial mentality, we have this when those foreign things or those cultures are being embraced by us. And the opposite of the colonial mentality is those being patriotism. And can you give an example of the colonial mentality? The most common example of colonial mentality. Is it true that Catholic age were for those possessed that during the during ancient times that we Filipinos were influenced by the an example of colonial mentality is that when we embrace or those came from the right from Korea, and those we have their laws, their lifestyle, their culture, we embrace those things. And that example of being having a colonial mentality. And the last is okay. We Filipinos, when we are here in the Philippines, we don't obey laws, right? Simple things like following, walking in a pedestrian, we shouldn't do that, right? Then we follow simple rules from your family, your school, society, and home. So, what is awkward to say that when those Filipinos outside follow rules because they should be punished, right? But when they are here in the Philippines, they are not aware of those rules. They are the ones who do not follow those rules. So that is one of the main weakness of the Filipinos. Then we should keep the strength of Filipino values. We have here the faith and the religiosity. We have faith and religiosity during the time that we are colonized by the Spaniards, right?
Yes.
And most Filipinos are dominant by Catholic faith and other religions as well. Our simple prayer, every Sunday we go to church is an example of having faith to God and different religions as well. And who among you go to church together with your family? And that's a good example of having a faith to God all the time. And next one, joy and humor. We Filipinos, in spite of those calamities, you heard the news about Sendong, the earthquake in Mindanao. Those people after suffering from those calamities, they still, after mourning of what happened, joy and humor still present or can be on their face, right? And they have who have move forward after those negative things happening. Another thing is commonly the family orientation. We Filipinos are very having our grandmother, uncles, and other relatives. We also have this in the family together grandparents. And that example is under the Bible religion, which we can read the more Catholics were responsible enough and to acquire those attitudes that we have. And the last is flexibility, adaptability, and creativity. This attitude or this value of the Filipinos is most commonly in the OFW, right? And those OFWs that being the work abroad are being they're not that suited to the environment, the culture of the African. For example, those who are in the Middle East, they are suffering from the item right? And those from the upper part of the globe, they are suffering a cold weather. And aside from that, the culture of other people in that country, Filipinos are known for their flexibility, adaptability, and creativity. And all those strength and weaknesses of the Filipinos, then you give an additional to that. So then we have a group na Filipino. I will divide the class into group 1 and group 2. Okay. What should we do? Okay. Now with that, choose they will be Filipino. This group will simple picture of that we have the Father, grandfather,